Good morning, dear students. I'm Shivani Singh, your English teacher. Today's our topic is parts of speech. So open your books and let's get started. So firstly, what is parts of speech? All the words of English are divided into 8 groups according to the work they perform in a given sentence. Is called as parts of speech, which means what? Every single word in a sentence is divided into 8 groups. All the words of English are divided into 8 groups according to the work they perform in a given sentence. Look here, for example, if I'm writing Ram is a good boy. Here you can clearly see that here Ram is what? Noun, is verb, good is quality, which means adjective, and boy is again noun. What I have written in the definition is all the words of English are divided into 8 groups according to the work they perform in a given sentence. This shows that every single words of a sentence is derived from parts of a speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of a speech. You all have to note it down in your notebook and submit it after the school opening. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech, namely what? Noun, pronoun, adjective, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and last one is interjection. How many kinds of parts speech are there? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now let's get to know about these all parts of speech one by one. Look, what is noun? Noun describing a person, place, things, event, ideas, etc. are called as noun. Basically, what are nouns? So, noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. In short, you may say that noun is a naming word. For example, what can we take? Ram, Shyam, Mohan, Gita, whatever you wanted to take, but it should be a name. After that, the second one is pronoun, which means what? A pronoun is a word which comes in the place of noun. Pronoun is what? Pronoun is a word which comes in the place of noun. Third one is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective are the words which are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Adjective is what? It is a word. It means what, Babu? It will tell the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Either it may be a good quality or a bad quality, but it will tell about the quality, which means what? The adjective will always describes or qualifies a noun and a pronoun. For example, he is a good boy, which means what? It has been talked here that the person is hold which type of quality? He is good. After that we comes on verb. What is verb? Verb is an action word. Tells us about the action, a state of being or an event. For example, am, is, are, run, jump, play, running, reading. Here we can see that these are the words which are showing the action as like play, which means what? Khelna, raining yani barish hona, reading yani padhna. But here a simple question arises that ma'am, how are these are also verb? So look Babu, there are two kinds of verb. Helping verb, namely, and second one is main verb. What is the difference between these two are that main verbs are always present in a sentence, but when the main verb are not present in the sentence, then the helping verb become the main verb. I hope you all are getting my points. Now next move to the next topic, which is adverb. Adverb is what? Adverb is a word which will qualify an adjective, adverb or a verb. Adverb is what? Adverb is a word which will describe everything except noun or pronoun, which means what? It will describe an adjective, adverb or verb. As like for example, you can see near, far, today, now, very, easily, quietly, etc. Now, our next topic is preposition. Here we go. Preposition are the words that will connect a noun to the other words in a sentence. For example, you can see here he jumped over the fence. Where did he jump? He jumped over the fence. Here over is what? Preposition. Right? After that, next come conjunction. It joins two words or phrases together. Means conjunction is a word which joins the two words or sentences together, as you can see, and, but, yet, etc. And the last topic is interjection, a word which expresses emotion. Strong interjection are followed by exclamation points. Mild interjection are followed by commas. What it is saying that if uh, if the interjection is about a strong feeling, then it will always holds a sign of interjection. But if it is a mild interjection, then it will hold a comma after it, right? As like example, we can say hurrah, we won the match, we won the match. After that, ouch. One thing more is that these are the words which are itself independent. They didn't need any type of sentence to be complete, but with sentences we can also use it. Now let's summarize what we have studied today. Firstly, I have told you all about noun. What are nouns? Noun are the name of a person, place, animal or things. These are called as noun. After that, we have discussed about pronouns. What are pronouns? The word which comes in the place of noun are called as pronoun. And the third one is adjective, a word that qualifies the noun or the pronoun. After that comes verb. It tells about the activity of the things and the person, which means what? These are simply action word, right? After that, we move to adverb. The adverb is a word which qualifies an adjective, adverb or any other verb, right? And the next one is preposition, which will show the relationship or the connection of the noun or a pronoun with another pronoun or words, right? After that comes conjunction. It is used to join the word or phrases together. Matlab, these are the joining words in simple. I hope you all are getting my points. After that, interjection, a word or a sound which expresses sudden feelings or emotion, as like what? You are very happy, then how do you react? Wow, I'm very happy today. And what type of feeling is this? This is a feeling of happiness that you are showing. And if someone get successful in something, then his feeling is expressed as like, hurrah, we won the match. So these are the feelings that will be shown by interjection. Now the thing which you all have to do is, you all have to write it down in your notebook and make a proper notes of these all topics. After that, after the class, these all things will be provided on your WhatsApp group and on the app also. So complete these all works in your copy and submit this in your office for checking.